वेलकम टू प्रिंस स्टूडेंट हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स, स्पेशल डिक्टेशन हम दे रहे हैं पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़ स्किल टेस्ट के लिए। बट मैंने अभी एक वीडियो और डाली कि नोटिफिकेशन आया है आपका दिसंबर 18 एंड 19 को सीपीटी पहले उन्होंने ले लिया है कंप्यूटर प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट। और जैसा मैंने पहले बताया था कि इसको बहुत आसान ना समझे, प्रैक्टिस रेगुलर करते रहें। और ये ऐसे इसलिए ही हुआ है ये कि एप्लीकेशन बहुत ज़्यादा थी, तो स्किल टेस्ट में जाने से पहले कंप्यूटर प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट इसलिए लिया जा रहा है कि उन्हें अच्छे स्टेनोग्राफर चाहिए, तो कंप्यूटर में भी अच्छे चाहिए, कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर भी अच्छे चाहिए, टाइपिंग भी अच्छी चाहिए उनको अच्छे स्किल टेस्ट के लिए पहले कंप्यूटर प्रोफिशिएंसी लेना ज़रूरी था कि बहुत ज़्यादा बर्डन ना रहे और अच्छे स्टेनोग्राफर अच्छे ऑपरेटर हमें मिले। तो इस जैसा मैं हमेशा कहता रहा हूँ कि स्किल टेस्ट को भी आप आसान ना समझें, लगातार प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। मैंने अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे लगभग कोशिश करता हूँ कि डेली आपको ट्रायल पैसेज दूँ जो आपको खुद चेक करना होता है ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के बाद, और अपनी गलतियाँ खुद ही निकालनी होती हैं, और उसके बाद आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी होती है कि आप में कमी कहाँ है। और इसी सीरीज़ में मैं 800 वर्ड आपको लीगल आज दे रहा हूँ, और उसको आप लिखने के बाद, रीडिंग के बाद टाइपिंग करेंगे और अपने मिस्टेक्स निकालेंगे। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। दिस स्पेशल लीव पेटिशन has been filed against the judgment and order passed in writ petition number 10 of 2008 by the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, by which the writ petition against the order of dismissal of the petitioner's application and successive appeals under the Right to Information Act 2005 bracket hereinafter called the RTI Act bracket close has been dismissed. In the said petition, the direction was sought by the petitioner to the respondent number 1 to provide information as asked by him while his application from the respondent number 4, a judicial officer, as for what reasons the respondent number 4 had decided his miscellaneous appeal dishonestly. The facts and circumstances giving rise to this case are that the petitioner claimed to be in exclusive possession of the land in respect of which civil suit was filed before additional civil judge Ranga Reddy district, praying for perpetual injunction by Dr. M. Rao against the petitioner and another from entering into the suit land. Application filed for interim relief in the said suit stood dismissed. Being aggrieved, the plaintiff therein preferred CMA number 185 of 2002, and the same was also dismissed. Two other suits were filed in respect of the same property, impleading the petitioner also as the defendant. In one of his suits, the trial court granted temporary injunction against the petitioner. Being aggrieved, petitioner preferred the CMA number 67 of 2005, which was dismissed by the appellate court. Respondent number 4, wide order dated 10th August 2006. Petitioner filed an application dated 15th November 2006 under section 6 of the RTI Act before the administrative officer cum assistant state public information officer seeking information to the queries mentioned therein. The said application was rejected. Wide order dated 23rd November 2006 and an appeal against the said order was also dismissed. Wide order dated 20th January 2007. Second appeal against the said order was also dismissed by the Andhra Pradesh State Information Commission. Wide order dated 20th November 2007. The petitioner challenged the said order before the High Court, seeking a direction to the respondent number 1 to furnish the information as under what circumstances the respondent number 4 had passed the judicial order dismissing the appeal against the interim relief. Mr. V. Rao, learned senior counsel, appearing for the petitioner, has submitted that right to information is a fundamental right of every citizen. The RTI Act does not provide for any special protection to the judges. Thus, petitioner has a right to know the reasons as to how the respondent number 4 has decided his appeal in a particular manner. Therefore, the application filed by the petitioner was maintainable. Rejection of the application by the respondent number 1 and appellate authorities rendered the petitioner remediless. Petitioner wide application dated 15th November 2006 had asked as under arguments and additional written arguments as the ignorance of the same tantamount to judicial dishonesty. The respondent number 4 omitted to examine the fabricated documents filed by the plaintiff, and for what reason the respondent number 4 omitted to examine the document filed by the petitioner. Similar information had been sought on other points. At the outset, it must be noted that the petitioner has not challenged the order passed by the respondent number 4. Instead, he had filed the application under Section 6 of the RTI Act to know why and for what reasons respondent number 4 had come to a particular conclusion which was against the petitioner. The nature of the question posed in the application was to the effect why and for what reason respondent number 4 omitted to examine certain documents and why he came to such a conclusion. Although the petitioner had sought answers for about 10 questions raised in his application and most of the questions were to the effect as to why respondent number 4 had ignored certain documents and why he had not taken note of certain arguments advanced by the petitioner's counsel. Under the RTI Act, information is defined under section 2 bracket F, which provides information means any material in any form including records, documents, memos, emails, opinions, advices, press releases, circulars, orders, log books, contracts, report papers, samples, models, data material held in any electronic form and information relating to any private body which can be assessed by a public authority under any other law for the time being in force. This definition shows that an applicant under section 6 of the RTI Act can get any information which is already in existence and accessible to the public authority under law. Of course, under the RTI Act, an applicant is entitled to get a copy of the opinions, advices, circulars, orders, etc., but he cannot ask for any information regarding their passing. Thank you. Stop.